New just listed home, 764 70th Avenue, Unit 3303, Seminole, Florida, by Sandy Steenberg from the Military Veteran Team. Welcome to this charming 2-bed, 2-bath condo in the desirable Beachway Condos, Seminole, Florida. This spacious, light-filled home features an open living dining area, a beautiful and modern kitchen. Both bedrooms offer walk-in closets, with an ensuite in the primary, 2 spacious bathrooms, and in-unit laundry. The community boasts amenities like a pool, tennis courts, and picnic area. Enjoy relaxing on the screened patio, lush landscaping, and easy access to beaches, shopping, and dining. With convenience and comfort, this condo is your perfect Florida retreat.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.